Hello guys, today we'll be making mini twist on my 4C waist length hair. And what I did first was to part my hair the night before, and then first thing the next morning I started making the hair. So I just parted my hair because I was the one doing the whole thing. There was nobody to part my hair for me. So I had to first of all the first day wash my hair, the second day part the hair, and then the third day actually make the hair. So let's say this was like a 3 days drama. Let's put it that way. So I put my hair in different horizontal patterns so that parting it vertically would not be a problem. So I think I started this hair around I think past 7 or so. The first thing I always like to do in a particular section is to first of all spray the hair and then go ahead to use my leave-in conditioner, finger detangle. As you can see, that's what I'm currently doing, and then seal in with a butter. The butter I used in this video is from Moringa Beauty because mine had already gotten exhausted, but every other product I use in this video is from my brand, and with the phone number on the screen you can shop for yours. Now, to part the lines at this side was not a problem because I decided to do without the mirror. I had not set the mirror and the whole drama or whatever at that point. So this part I could do it without the mirror, and that was what I was doing. Again, if you did not watch my other video, which I'm going to tag here, how I make my twist, the first thing I love to do is to braid the hair about 3 or 4 times. I would first of all divide the hair into two just with my fingertip. Now that's two equal parts. Then one of those equal parts I divide it again into two. So after braiding the entire hair and then it's time for me to twist, the two part I parted again. Those are like two smaller sections. I joined it back together to make it like half again. So it's like two balanced side. Do you understand? So it's like really balanced on both sides, and then I just twist all the way down. Some people love parting their hair into three first of all if they are going to braid from the very beginning, and then when it's time for them to twist they have to cut from another strand and then add, and then it's just always too dramatic. So what I love to do again is to part my hair into two, divide one of the sections into two, braid that way, and then join the both side I divided into two as one, and then twist both sides together as you can see. So that's what I do to twist, and that way my twist is actually balanced and I don't have to take half from one side or the other and yada yada. So anyways, that's my twisting technique. If you are here for the first time, my name is Didi and I'm a natural hair content creator based in Kwara State. So everything about natural hair, I make video around it. Natural hairstyles. I think that makes sense. Natural hairstyles or natural hairstyles. DIYs at times, how to make your hair yourself, and then how to care for your natural hair. I really focus on that because I think a lot of information is not really out there, and I just basically create awareness that you can actually love and care for your natural hair without the whole drama of your hair is hard to comb and yada yada. Along the line, I'm going to show you guys how my hair feels whenever I detangle it properly. That shows that no matter how thick your hair is, if you're using the right product, if you're doing the right thing, if you're using the right technique, your hair can actually detangle properly without knots, and it's going to be very soft for you to handle. So like I said, I am the one, or I was the one parting my hair myself. So what I like to do is I have this mannequin because I make crochet fits. I make crochet outfits. So I have a mannequin, and in front of the mannequin I love to put this very small mirror as you can see. And then behind me, that is where I am backing, there's a mirror, there's a larger mirror there. So this mirror in front helps me to see what the back mirror is showing me behind me, that is at this back of my head. So I'm able to like part my hair. Now the placement of my hand when it comes to parting my hair at the back might not be all that good, and at this point honestly I really didn't care because my hands were already hurting, my arms was on fire, and I've been making this hair for a while. So I started making my hair around I think I think around past 7 a.m. thereabouts. I think past 7 a.m. or 9 a.m. I can't even really recall. Because as I when I'm doing this voiceover and when I made this hair, I think it was already about 2 weeks or so. So I made this hair for hours and I made my hair from I think around that time up until 4 p.m. I think I finished few minutes to 4, about 10 minutes or 5, let's just say 4, because it was a very, very close call to 4 p.m. And then I had to leave and then I had meeting and yada yada. But it was a whole drama because I think I would have finished earlier because but a few other things came up which I might just chip it later on. This iPhone code they are producing nowadays, it's not for the week old. They are just giving us fake code. My cord got bad that I had to go out get on that one, and man, anyway, sorry, I digress. Look at this beauty. Just see how beautiful, how stretched this hair looks. It's bouncing like it's giving. Now take a look at how I'm detangling this hair with this tail comb. It's sliding through like so easily. I don't advise you detangle your hair with a tail comb. That was not what I was doing here. I already detangled my hair with a brush and a white tooth comb, but then I decided to just try because my hair felt really soft and really detangled, no knots, nothing. And I'm like, wait, come on, I think I can play around with a tail comb. I wanted to see if it was possible for me to actually detangle my hair, to actually comb my hair with a tail comb. And then it worked, guys, it worked. Now another thing there is that the corners of my hair, the texture there is a bit looser compared to the main 4C I have on my hair. These areas of my hair are like 4A, 4B in some areas, and they are not as dense as the crown area of my hair is. So this side of my hair, the sides, the nape area, they are really fine strands. They are not very thick. The strands are not very thick, and it's not as dense as the crown area of my head. So I can still decide to play around that. But I'm just trying to show you guys that it is possible for your hair to be free of knots. It is possible for you to be able to detangle your hair to a point that you don't feel any knot there. It's possible for your hair to not be tangled up. Okay, if you use the right product, if you choose the right detangling technique, then you're going to enjoy your hair. Your hair is going to be very free from knots. Now if you've gotten to this part of this video, please do well to subscribe. Please do well to hit the like button so this video can be shown to other people. Do not forget to comment. If you have anything against my videos, you can let me know in the comments. Let me know if you have any video you'd like me to make to address any hair issue, any hair concerns you might have, or questions you might have about your hair in the comments. So, and again, please let me know where you're watching from if you watched to this point of this video. Please do not forget to watch the ads that might pop up on my video. I'm actually now monetized. I've not made a video on that because I've not exactly had the time. But yes, your baby girl is now monetized and I earn a bit of commission from my video. So please, I would not mind if you actually watch a few ads that might pop up in my video. Just it doesn't take so much. You can just watch and then maybe skip afterwards, but please just watch them. Thank you so much and God bless you. I love you guys. Again, let me show you how I detangled my hair. Look at how this brush is sliding through this hair. Just take a look at how beautiful this looks. Is it not beautiful? I know it is. See how soft, see how luscious it is. If you're not using my hair products, you are playing. Oh, funny thing is I've been using my hair products since I launched it. That's like it's going to be a year in November. So if my products are bad by now, my hair would react in a very terrible way if I've been using it for that long. But look at, I'm even using a tail comb through and it went through. That's how effective my products are. That's how your hair will be, no matter how strong your hair is, as long as you do it the right way. If you would like to get our products, the number on your screen, you can send in a message to that WhatsApp number on your screen and it's going to be delivered to you wherever you are on this earth. Even if you are in Jupiter or you are in Mars, we'll find a way to get it to you. Don't worry, you just blink. That's on a lighter note, but wherever you are, it's going to be shipped to you wherever you are. We're currently still working on our website where those where international orders can be done, but you can still place your order on WhatsApp for now, even if you are not based in Nigeria. Okay, that way you're definitely still going to be attended to, and I'll be the one to actually attend to you. So whenever you send a message to our business line that is on the screen right now, I would be the one attending to any of your orders, so you can be rest assured that you're in safe hands. Okay, moving forward, there was a reason why I chose mini twists at this time, and that's because of how busy my schedule will be, because I will be out of choir for more than a month to about 2 months. And so I needed the hairstyle that will carry me through, and there was no point because there's no point of making cornrows or any other hairstyle because I really would not have the time for wigs, and I really just want to showcase and just like style my natural hair the best way I can without it having any issues. So, and I also want that scalp exposure a bit because I want to consistently apply my hair oils and sprays and wash my hair properly. So this was just the best chance I could get, and now my arms really hurt as you can see, and this is what comes with the whole drama. Now behind me is the big mirror I talked about, and in front was a small mirror you saw earlier, and this is what really helps in parting my hair. So I'm done with this section, and look at how beautiful the twists are. And making your hair is one thing you should actually learn how to do. It's going to save you, I'm not going to say it will save you time, your hand is going to pain you and your time is actually going to go, but it's going to actually save you a whole lot of hair loss that you might possibly experience if you go to a salon. Now it's not something you might just know how to do immediately. As you can see, I still even made a mistake there when it came to parting my hair, but it is something you eventually figure out after a while. But I would still advise that making your hair yourself is so much better. Aside the morning part, which you might benefit from, because if I should go out to braid my hair or twist my hair, I know I would be spending nothing less than 10k before leaving the salon. So imagine I have to spend that amount of money every single month. Every single month I'm spending 10,000 naira to braid my hair, to twist my hair every single month. By the end of the year, that is already 120,000 naira saved somewhere. So if you're going to talk about the money part, it might be a plus, but not necessarily. If you're going to try to save time and energy, if you're trying to save that, then you might want to spend the money for the hair, which might not be very important. Besides that one, I'm looking at the fact that this length, I wouldn't have been able to accumulate this length if I did not learn how to make my hair myself. So please try to learn how to make your hair yourself. Braids and twists are not hard to do. You don't have to make mini twists like I did. I hardly do mini twists, and like I said, because of what I had to do, that's why I had to do it. So guys, I'm finally done with this. I'm so sorry this video is actually this long, but it was unavoidable. From about 9 hours of hairdo, I was able to trim this down to 14 minutes. I try, Abia, no try. I try. It's time for me to oil my scalp, and I'll be making use of the Ayurvedic hair growth oil from the hair circle, which is also from the brand. And yes, so I just apply this to my scalp, and then I'm just going to massage it. I apply this line by line. This is infused with over 20 herbs and over 15 oils. So if you want something very nutritious and something very healthy for your scalp, you want to get this oil. This oil is everything. This oil will stop your hair breakage. This oil will strengthen your hair and promote scalp health. As long as you consistently wash your scalp properly, then it's giving this oil room for you to see effectiveness on your hair and also on your scalp. Over time, you'll notice a thicker hair, a thicker strand. You will notice that your scalp is better and it's producing thicker and healthier strands. So this oil is a must get for you if you do not have it. So what I had to do was just to massage my scalp properly. Now I did not exactly add any other butter to my hair because I already done that while I was parting my hair. Before making the hair, rather, I said parting my hair. That was before making the hair. If you remember, I sprayed the hair first with water, and then I went ahead to use my leave-in conditioner, and then I went ahead to apply butter to seal in the moisture. So now I'm just caring for my scalp, and I'm just going to massage it afterwards. So if you stayed to this point, thank you so much for staying to the end of this video. We've come to the end of this video basically. And do not forget to subscribe, do not forget to like, do not forget to leave a comment. My arms hurt so much because I've been sitting, my hands has been busy for hours, and I am extremely tired. But anyways, I am in love with the results so far. This is really beautiful. Let me know what you think about the hair in the comments. This might not be very mini for you, but like I said, this is not a micro twist hair. This is a mini twist, like I said. So micro might just be tinier than this, but then I do love the results. This way I can style my hair however I want to, and it feels like I made use of an extension on this hair, as you can see. So yeah, if you want my hair tips, you can let me know in the comments. Ask your questions in the comment. Let me know again what you think about this hair. Do not forget to check out my other videos, And for those who want to really learn how to twist their hair themselves, like I said, I'm going to drop a detailed video on that. Do not forget to subscribe, do not forget to like. Thank you so much for watching. Love you guys.